भारत का दिल लेके जन्मा ये प्रदेश, खूबसूरती से भरा ये मध्य प्रदेश।
I, along with the members of my class, wish a very auspicious morning to our Honorable MD Sir, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. The topic of our annual function is the heart of incredible India, Madhya Pradesh.
Ma Saraswati represents knowledge and consciousness. She is mother of Vedas and her mantras are also called Saraswati Vanna. Now here some girls of my class are going to present a beautiful Saraswati Vanna.
So to enlighten us and brighten our annual function, I would like to call Gunagya Sharma for thought of the day.
The thought of the day is winning doesn't always means being first. Winning means you are doing better than what you have done.
The audience wants something that entertains them, and whether that entertainment is in the form of physical match or in the form of skit or video or promo, it's our job to deliver it to them to the point where audience becomes the biggest champion of our brand. And if we can't match that, then we are falling short. Now we, the students of class 7th S, are going to present a skit on an interesting story behind the heart of incredible India, Madhya Pradesh. The history of the Indian state Madhya Pradesh is divided into three periods: the ancient period, the medieval period, and the modern period.
The rock shelter of Bhimbetka exhibits the earliest traces of human life on the Indian subcontinent. The region was dominated by Nanda Empire and the Maurya Empire. Now we will see how Maurya Empire was established through a
6th century, India was divided into 16 Mahajanpadas. Magda was the most powerful state among all. Magda state flourished for many years.
I am the founder of Nanda dynasty. I ruled the Nanda dynasty, conquered them and built a canal there, made Magadha's capital Patliputra the center of India and ruled the whole of India. I am also called the father of central system of governance.
After Mahapadmanand, many rulers came to Maurya Empire and ruled, the last of which was Gananand. Gananand was contemporary of Sikandar. Alexander's invention of India took place during the government's period of Gananand. After the departure of Alexander from India, there was unrest and disorder in the Magda Empire. In the meeting of Gananand, a visitor Chanakya came to discuss a peace and expansion of empire. Gananand insulted him, which we will see through us.
Chanakya has come to meet you.
Bring him in. What's the matter? Why did you want to meet me?
Maharaj, I want to discuss with you about the expansion of empire and want to give you some advice so that empire can progress again.
I am king and I know how to run my kingdom and take care of the people.
Gananand angrily said the soldiers to take Chanakya and throw him out of the assembly.
Stop! I will put an end to this vast empire of yours and make a capable person as ruler in your place.
There he found a child named Chandragupta, whose mother Mura was in the captivity of Gananand by giving initiation to that child. Chanakya got it in the Magadha Empire and then together with him put an end to the Magadha Empire and established the Maurya Empire in the name of Chandragupta's mother Mura.
Chandragupta Maurya died. His son Bindusara ruled Magadha for 24 years.
Ambitious, he attacked Kalinga. Lakhs of people were killed in this war. This massacre caused a great change in Ashoka's heart.
Of God and converted to Buddhism. I dedicated my life to the service of humanity.
According to the Puranas, 9 to 10 rulers ruled Magadha after Ashoka. After the death of the Emperor Ashoka, the mighty Mauryan Empire disintegrated.
Was widely spread. It was founded by Chandragupta. This period is considered by historians to be the golden age of India.
I am King Chandragupta of Gupta dynasty. I had first introduced the circulation of silver coins. I got the title of Maharaja the Raja, which means great king of kings. After that, Harshvardhan dynasty came. Harshvardhana belonged to the Pushyabhuti, also called the Vardhana dynasty. He was a Hindu who later embraced Mahayana Buddhism.
We reached towards an era of the medieval period. The Muslims started to explore the land of Madhya Pradesh.
Khilji was the founder of Khilji dynasty. During the reign of Jalaluddin, his nephew Alauddin Khilji took over the charge of Khilji dynasty.
I am Alauddin Khilji. I was the first Turkish Sultan of Delhi who separated religion from politics. I proclaimed kingship knows no kingship.
I am Babur. I was the first Mughal emperor of India. I was born in Fergana, Central Asia, in the princely family of mixed Mongol and Turkish blood. I expanded the empire. In battle, I defeated Rana Sangat, the ruler of Mewar, and won the battle in Delhi and Agra.
His son Humayun took over the empire. Humayun was defeated by the Afghan ruler Sher Shah Suri in the battle of Chausa and expelled from the kingdom. He attracted the fort of Kalinjar, and during this incident, Sher Shah Suri died. His descendants were weak, so the Suri dynasty came to an end.
The period of Madhya Pradesh saw the rise of Mughal and Maratha empires and later the British Empire.
Akbar, the greatest of the Mughal emperor of India, I established a religion by mixing the basic elements of all religion, whose name was Din Ilahi. I extended the Mughal power over most of the Indian subcontinent.
Shah Jahan was the fifth Mughal emperor of India. Mughal empire has reached its zenith in prosperity and luxury. I am remembered as the builder of the Taj Mahal.
I am Aurangzeb. I was the third son of the fifth emperor of the Mughal dynasty Shah Jahan. I was given the title of Alamgir, which means conqueror of the world.
Death of Aurangzeb in 1707, Mughal controls weakened and Marathas controlled most of Madhya Pradesh.
At the same time, descendants of Afghan general Dost Muhammad Khan, a friend of Muslim dynasty, was the ruler of Bhopal. He established supremacy by defeating Marathas. In 1853, the British captured the state of Nagpur, which included southeastern Madhya Pradesh, eastern Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. After India's independence in 1947, hundreds of princely states were merged into the Union with the formation of the Republic of India on 26 January 1950. The constitution came into force on January 26, 1950, after which the first general elections were held in the country in 1951-52.
As a result of the reorganization of the state in the year 1956, Madhya Pradesh was formed as a new state on November 1st, 1956 and chose Bhopal as its capital.
Discuss the various features of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Here come some students of my class to discuss on the given topic.
It is very interesting to discuss on the given topic, the heart of incredible India, Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh is situated in central India. It is bordered on the northeast by Uttar Pradesh, to its southeast by Chhattisgarh, to its south by Maharashtra, Gujarat to the west, and it has Rajasthan on its northwest side.
Between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh is 822.0 km.
The neighboring states of Madhya Pradesh are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra.
Madhya Pradesh has a subtropical climate with three distinct seasons: summer, winter and the rainy season.
Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh and Indore is the largest city of Madhya Pradesh. There are 5 major types of soil which are found in all over the state. Those are black soil, red and yellow soil, alluvial soil, mixed soil and Kachari soil.
Satpura range and Vindhya range of Madhya Pradesh are source of most of the river in central India. Some of the river are Narmada river, Chambal river, Betwa river, Son river, Mahi river and Shipra river.
Madhya Pradesh, state of India, as its name implies, Madhya means central and Pradesh means region or state. It is situated in the heart of the country.
The second largest Indian state by area and the fifth largest state by population.
Presently, the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Hindi, Sindhi and Bundeli are the official languages of Madhya Pradesh.
The state has the largest reserve of diamond and copper.
The state is leader in textile manufacturing, automobiles, food processing, engineering and agriculture equipment manufacturing. The peaceful manpower of the state is an added advantage for industrial development. Tourism in Madhya Pradesh has been an attraction because of its location in the center of the country. Madhya Pradesh has won Best Tourism State National Award for 3 consecutive years. Popular fairs and the festivals celebrated in Madhya Pradesh are Khajuraho Dance Festival, Ujjain Kumbh Mela, Lokran Festival, Nagaji Fair, Pagore Art Festival.
Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India, consists of a wide variety of traditional food like poha, dal, bafla, palak puri, malpua, jalebi, etc.
The most famous traditional dress among women in Madhya Pradesh is lehenga and choli.
The famous dances of Madhya Pradesh are Jwara, Matki, Aada, Khada Naach, Phool Patti, Grida Dance, Salilari, Selbadoni and Bans.
According to the 2011 census, Madhya Pradesh has a literacy rate of 70.60% with male literacy at 80.5% and female literacy at 60%.
Das Bhartari Bhavbhuti are some of the famous writers from Madhya Pradesh.
Mahakaleshwar temple is one of the 12 Jyotirling of India. It is main temple of Lord Mahakaleshwar located in Ujjain city of Madhya Pradesh state.
In the year 2013, the state government declared Makam as a state sport.
So, here comes some girls of our class to present a beautiful dance.
Dance
प्रदेश, इसकी शोभा है सबसे प्यारी, इसकी महिमा है जग से न्यारी। भारत का है ये हृदय प्रदेश, हमारा प्यारा सा मध्य प्रदेश है, जग से निराला सा मध्य प्रदेश। कल कल करती नदियाँ इसकी शोभा है, चारों ओर की हरियाली इसकी आभा है। वृक्षों का है ये आश्रय प्रदेश, हमारा प्यारा सा मध्य प्रदेश है, सबसे निराला सा मध्य प्रदेश।
Essence is what gives us memories, and the longer a song is existed in our lives, the more memories we have of it. So here comes Garvita of our class to present a melodious English song.
People laugh as they stare at you and say she's got nowhere to go. But if they only know, you are thinking, where did I go wrong? How should I move on in spite of what I see? They're losing faith in me. You tell yourself to believe that in every feat it takes a heart to endure all the pain and grief, having the hope to see the best that you can be. Follow your dream, the courage found within. Your soul is keeping you so strong that you could rise each time you fall and stand up on your own. This time you won't go wrong. Just give your best to hold your will. Persistently become the one you have always aimed to be.
Life is a song, sing it. Life is a game, play it. Life is a challenge, meet it. Life is a dream, realize it. Life is a sacrifice, offer it. Life is love, enjoy it. Now some students of our class are going to sing Hindi group song.
सबका दाता सबका साथी, सबका दाता सबका साथी, सबका ये संदेश है। माँ की गोद पिता का आश्रय मेरा मध्य प्रदेश है। माँ की गोद पिता का आश्रय मेरा मध्य प्रदेश है। सबका दाता सबका साथी।
a group dance performance lined up for today's assembly.
चल 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 आना चल रहा है